This is Flipgrid by Kira Russell. Flipgrid is a website for teachers to create video discussions and message boards where students can post responses to. Responses can be text-based or include image, video, Giphy, or attachments once granted access by a code provided by the teacher. This video linked is an informative segment on how to get your class started on Flipgrid.
Head over to flipgrid.com and create a free Flipgrid account with your Microsoft or Google email address. Once you've signed up, let's create your first grid. Your grid is your class, so I'll name mine 6th grade reading. Select a grid type. I'll select school email, which will allow my students to access the grid using their school email address. If you're teaching younger learners without emails, you can choose the student ID option. Students do not need to create an account. They will use this code to access the grid. You can personalize it, so I'm going to make mine remote reflection. Limit access to the grid by entering your school emails. Enter everything after the @ symbol. Add multiple emails for students and educators. Now that your grid is created, you'll see that we have automatically created a discussion prompt to help introduce Flipgrid to your learning community. Let's make a new discussion prompt. In Flipgrid, we call those topics. You can add links, videos, or anything you want your learners to view prior to recording a video response. Or hop on over to the Disco library where there are thousands of ready-to-use topic templates available. Now that you have created your topic, you are ready to share with your learner. Share the link or code with your learning community. This is how your students will access Flipgrid and start posting videos. For step-by-step student instructions and more resources to help you use Flipgrid, check out the links in the description below.
Ways to use Flipgrid: sharing book reviews. School libraries can use QR codes for students to review books and allow other students to watch and review to decide if they want to read it or not. Practicing world languages. Students can post videos practicing their vocabulary and speaking to other students. Increasing accessibility for all students. Flipgrid has implemented features to ensure all students can participate with features like closed captioning and text aloud. Lastly, supporting other students. Flipgrid is a good way to play catch-up for students who are absent. Teachers can create topics for work to be completed. The students who were in class can post a summary of what they learned in class for those who were absent. Lastly, would I use Flipgrid? I would use Flipgrid. It provides many useful tools for teachers and students in and out of the classroom. An alternate to Flipgrid is Seesaw, where, like Flipgrid, gives students a place to document their learning and be creative and learn how to use technology. However, I would personally use Flipgrid over Seesaw because Flipgrid is more of a place for students to share their creations with others, not just their voices. Flipgrid is a video response platform with ways to add links to documents, apps that other students want to share. Thank you for listening. This is Kira Russell with Flipgrid.